Today I wanted to provide a few tips and tricks on raising up your credit score. And honestly, probably the easiest way to do that is going to involve your use of your revolving debt, your credit card debt. So in order to help you with that, I first have to tell you kind of how it works. And how it works is that when your credit card statement cuts each month, that information gets reported to the credit bureau. Based on that information, that your score is determined either up or down, etc. So let's take the example that you have a $1,000 credit card limit and you owe $900 on it this month. Your minimum payment due is $100. Your statement cuts, and now that gets reported to the bureau. Because you're at 90% of your limit, that's going to pull your credit score down. And even if you go in the next day, right after you get the statement, and you pay it in full, it doesn't automatically pull your score back up, because what happens is it's only reporting the one time a month that the statement cuts. So if you have a situation where maybe you had to charge a little bit more on your credit card than what you wanted to for a given month, and you have the ability, go in and pay it down right before your statement cuts. You know, maybe pay it down to $100 or $200, etc. Because ideally, what you want to do is when that statement cuts, you want your outstanding balance in relation to your limit to be somewhere between 10 and 30%. Again, using that same example, you've got a $1,000 limit. That means that when the statement cuts, you really don't want to owe any more than somewhere between $100 and $300. That's kind of the ideal spot in order to have it reflect in a favorable way on your credit score. So listen, I really hope you found this information helpful. Make sure and use your credit cards correctly. The best thing I can also tell you is, if at all possible, make sure you pay them in full each month, because then that way you're not paying any interest on the money, and you're basically utilizing the bank's money for 30 days, which was the whole purpose of having revolving debt in the first place, right? So again, hope you found this helpful. If there's anything else we can do for you, please let us know. Give us a call. I'm here to answer any questions you may have. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.